Okay, so we are going to be making some floor powder. So like just to like freshen up the floor, you might want to get some powder on there, and then I like to press it down, like have people walk on it or whatever. Then I vacuum clean it up. Some people just like put it down and then they vacuum clean it up. Anyways, the store-bought ones, they have a lot of different chemicals and stuff, and also cost a little bit more. I mean, we got this little thing of baking soda right here. Didn't cost that much. I think it was like $1.50. Got this essential oil we already had laying around. And we have a jar of, this is my husband's stuff, Taco Bell. I think it was like cheese sauce. So, and then all you need is just a basic tool. My daughter grabbed this, so we're going to try to make it work. And this is so easy that a kid could do it, I feel. We're going to see. Alright, my son is attacking me. Okay. Oh, alright. Now, all you need to do is put holes in that lid. Yeah, hold it tight. See? Oh. There's one. You need like, I'd say at least 6 holes. And he took our jar. We're probably going to get that back. Right? Here. I have anger issues. Okay.
Now.
All right, now you want to pour all the baking soda into that jar.
The whole box?
Yes. It's a small box. So. You can definitely do like a whole box, but this is the size of this one, 8 ounces. Okay, so with that said, now we just need to put some essential oils in it.
How much?
I'd say about at least 15 drops.
Now that you stir it?
I like to shake it. I mean, it might fly everywhere. Look. Well, what you could do is put that on top. Well, shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. What are you doing? You should stir it. Okay. It's probably better to stir it. Then you sprinkle it on the floor.
I'm kind of slippy.
And then the floor smells nice and people ride baskets on it. So. Alright. House smelling good. Alright. Bye.